Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai Ram.
You must master what you resist the most. Note it down. Don't forget this. Or you watch this video once again when you replay it. You must master what you resist the most. Yes, you heard that right. And I was like, Baba, wow. Now, since I had already been reading on this, I knew what Baba wanted me to share. So here comes your lesson now. And before I go deeper into the lesson to explain what I have to teach you today, let me first talk about COVID-19. Yes, because this is a lesson which is a lesson that the soul has to learn according to the Bhagavad Gita. When I read the Vedas, we were talking about realizing our own essence, about going deeper inside. And how do you do that? How do how does one go deeper? How do I get to my essence? How do I become a God empowered living in this human life, And the lesson was master what you resist. And how do you master? What do I resist? What is all this confusion? So let me explain this to you. In these last 2 months of the COVID coming, what has happened? We all keep saying, reading every place, and a lot of you have asked under my videos, Didi, you say that the COVID has come to teach us lessons. What are those lessons? A lot of you have asked me this question, what is that lesson, right? Now here is your lesson. Whatever you have been resisting all your life, you have been given an opportunity to master it. And this is exactly what is happening. Those of you, think about it and give me a yes if you agree. Those of you who've never got into the kitchen and resisted cooking have actually been cooking completely for the last 2 months. Yes or no? Those of you who hated being locked inside the house, you wanted that your freedom, your going out was your greatest strength, that I can step out, I can be in nature, or I can just travel, go to malls, shop, go to restaurants, enjoy life, and I can't be restricted to the house. Absolutely opposite. You've been taught to resist what you were resisting. You're doing the opposite. You're sitting locked inside the house completely. Those of you who are in love and always told your partner, come what may, I can't be a moment without you. Well, you've been without your partner for 2 months. You're again mastering what you resisted. You resisted being away from the person, and here you are mastering that resistance, learning how to be away from that person. Many of you said, when I speak now also to friends, that you couldn't be with your spouses, like, oh my God, if we are together, we fight. The maximum time we can spend together is maybe over a dinner, and beyond that, we can't manage. And here you are in each other's skin literally for the last 2 months, not able to move out with each other day and night. Whatever we have resisted in our lives has been given to us during this period to master. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yes, yes, yes. Lovely. I can see so many yeses on the screen.
Sai Ram, Sai Sham.